Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kichler brand ceiling fan and the remote or the wall remote wall controller doesn't seem to be working anymore, like it's not connected to the fan. What we can do is we can do a repair, a reconnection of the controller to the fan. And the way we're going to do that is, first thing you need to do is you need to turn off, cut power to your fan completely. And once you do that, let it sit for a little bit, maybe 30 seconds. And then you're going to restore power. And then once you've restored power, the fan direction button, the reverse button, you're going to press and hold it until you'll either get, if you have the fan connected to lights, the lights will blink to indicate that it has received the signal. And if it doesn't have lights, the fan will actually do a quarter turn. And once it gives that quarter turn, you can release the fan direction button, and it will go through a little startup reset cycle, pairing cycle, and then you'll be good to go. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.